Let me explain you how this hypertonic and hypotonic solutions are associated in the human body. So with respect to this, you can get lot of questions in the competitive part. This is a very important part. Osmotic pressure, that is associated osmotic pressure that is associated with the fluid in the blood is equivalent to 0.9 percentage of mass by volume, 0.9 mass by volume percentage of sodium chloride solutions. That is isotonic. That is isotonic. With the normal saline solutions. That is isotonic with the normal saline solution, and this is safe. This is very safe to inject by intravenous method. Supposing if the cells, that is your RBCs, if they receive a solution, that is a saline solution, which is more than 0.9 percentage weight by volume of sodium chloride, then what will happen? Water flows out of your RBCs, and the cell would shrink. So such condition is unsafe. So this is if RBC cells receives a saline hypertonic, this will happen. Next condition, if the RBC cells receives a saline solution less than 0.9% also, in this case, this RBCs are receiving a hypotonic saline solution if it is less than 0.9%, and water, what will happen, will flow into your RBCs, and cell will swell and it will burst. So on the either conditions, these cells are not safe. Therefore, the cells, when they inject your saline requirement is there, the patient should receive only 0.9% exactly. If it is hypertonic or hypotonic, then it is very dangerous.